In this video, we are going to learn how to answer a frequently asked question in exam. That is, what is the difference between speed and velocity? After this lesson, you will be able to solve some challenging GC O-level exam questions relating to speed and velocity. In this lesson, we are going to learn another set of scalar and vector quantities, that is, speed versus velocity. Very often in exam, you will be asked what is the difference between speed and velocity. Remember that you must state that speed is a scalar quantity whereas velocity is a vector quantity. Now, what is velocity? In essence, velocity is speed in a specified direction. To understand the difference between speed and velocity, let's look at this example. In this slide, we define the westward direction as negative and the eastward direction as positive. If a car moves to the west and travels 60 kilometers in an hour, its speed is 60 kilometers per hour. Its velocity is negative 60 kilometers per hour. Now, if another car travels eastward at 60 kilometers per hour, the speed of this car is 60 kilometers per hour and his velocity is positive 60 kilometers per hour. Now let's look at the formula of speed. Since speed is distance traveled divided by time, speed in a specified direction would be distance traveled in a specified direction divided by time. But we know that speed in a specified direction is velocity. And in lesson 2, we have learned that distance traveled in a specified direction is displacement. We can derive the formula that velocity is change in displacement divided by time taken. To understand this better, we shall go back to the earlier example of the girl running on the track that is 200 meters in distance, making a displacement of 50 meters. The distance traveled as she ran on the track is 200 meters. If she takes 25 seconds to travel that distance, her speed is therefore 200 meters divided by 25 seconds, which is 8 meters per second. However, with a displacement of 50 meters, her velocity is 50 meters divided by 25 seconds, which is only 2 meters per second. Hence, to answer the question what is the difference between speed and velocity, besides stating that speed is a scalar quantity whereas velocity is a vector quantity, do also state that speed measures the change in distance per unit time whereas velocity measures the change in displacement per unit time. If you find this video useful, do give a like to this video and subscribe or follow us. Visit our website for more free physics video and try out the self-assessment questions to reinforce your understanding.